Hi guys, Rich Bassini, your YouTube vlogging creator. Today I want to share some news with you about YouTube Shorts. Now you guys know, as a YouTube creator, me and you guys I'm sure are, that I like to share information and encourage you and inspire you to go out, and this goes to all the new YouTubers out there, to go out and create that YouTube channel. And the best way to get your word out is through YouTube Shorts. So without further ado, I got some screens open up, but before we go to TubeBuddy, I'm going to take you in a second. Check this out. Let me minimize the screen. I want to share two things with you, and then we're going to go to TubeBuddy. I'm going to talk a little more about the YouTube Shorts. Check this out. Okay, well, actually, we'll go over here, but I want to go to this one here. There we go. This one I want to go to first. All right, check this out. Are YouTube Shorts good for your channel? YouTube Shorts can help you attract new subscribers more effectively and efficiently than any other marketing strategy on YouTube. Even because of its newness, YouTube wants to grow this segment and make more people aware of YouTube Shorts, so that the algorithm also helps creators to boost their organic reach. What I always tell you guys, what are the things I always tell you guys, right? You know what I'm telling you. Keep it real, keep it original, and let your channel grow organically. Okay, now this is from Social Pilot. That's why I got the URL there if you want to read more into it. As you can see, it's YouTube marketing. And the other one is, check this out. Use YouTube Shorts to promote and grow your regular channel. Every time you post a short, it is an opportunity for your content to get a view. And that view could turn into a channel subscriber or someone who engages with your main channel content. And this is from Hootsuite.com. There's the URL. You could check it out at your own leisure. But now we're going to go to TubeBuddy. Yes, TubeBuddy is one of my favorite. I signed up with them. I have an account with them already for the free service, of course. I didn't go with the paid one just yet. I may one day, but not right now. Check this out. This story came out, all right, April 7th, 2022. Okay, I know people probably look at the dates and stuff like that. Oh, it's old information, but old information could be good information, though, seriously. It goes on to say how to use YouTube Shorts to grow your channel. Did you know that 12 million YouTube channels have collectively published over 213 million shorts, and that views have now surpassed 5 trillion, folks. 5 trillion. YouTube has been making shorts a priority, and the strategy is paying off. Okay, it goes on to say this quick snackable content has been a massive win for YouTube and the creators it supports. Creating videos can be very time consuming, true. The Shorts feature enables the creator to upload on a whim just using your smartphone. I got mine charging up over here. Then it goes on to say here, but the real benefit of Shorts content is exposure. It is pretty easy to quickly get in front of a large audience with the right video. This means YouTube creators get a golden opportunity to scale their channel growth and boost their engagement rate. Okay, then they have over here a quick look at the Shorts landing page. You could do that if you go to the site itself. It's an active hyperlink. It'll take you there, and then you could read more into this here. That says YouTube Shorts basics the creators need to know, and you could read a little more into this as well here. Okay, this is from TubeBuddy, as you know. Everybody knows TubeBuddy. Well, if you don't, now you do. YouTube algorithm explained in 2022. We got a lot of good information here, folks. I love TubeBuddy. I also love vidIQ too. I mean, you can get really good information for it. But look at this here. Like here, I'll just paraphrase some of the stuff. Just skip around a little. How to use YouTube Shorts as a growth strategy. Okay, I'm going to read the highlighted ones here. Keep it very snappy. Always add value. Use replays. Okay, understand the format. And then it goes on to say ideas for YouTube Shorts content. Number 1, promote your regular channel, which that's why I'm doing right now to you guys. That's what I'm telling you out there, especially if you're a new YouTuber out there who's thinking of starting a channel, or you already have started it. You want to get that exposure out there, folks. You want people to know, hey, it's me, you know, come and check out my channel, you know. Over here it says tease your audience. Then it goes on behind the scenes footage, which is good. People like to see that, right? It's here, look at this here. BTS footage can be hugely entertaining and makes excellent short content, okay? Number 4, it says create engagement on the fly. What do I tell you guys who follow me? Sometimes I do that. I might do it on a whim. I might be doing something in here in the office, home office here, and I might pick up my cell phone and talk about something that's, but business related, of course, or just something I just came to my mind. I said, let me share with my followers or potential YouTube subscribers, which I hope you guys will be subscribing after you watch my videos, hopefully after this one, I hope. Then you got over here, jump on trends, okay? Should you make a separate channel for YouTube Shorts? That's totally up to you. I keep everything on this one channel, folks. I will say this, as a YouTube creator, I've been on YouTube since 2013, and I do have other channels that are kind of registered with YouTube, but they're just kind of dormant. I'm not doing anything with them yet. I don't think I'm going to start, I have quite a few of them, and I don't know right now if I'm going to go in that direction right now as far as deal with channel 1, 2, and 3. You know what I'm saying? Right now, 1 is hard enough for me to keep up with, let alone, have multiple ones. So as a new YouTube creator, you're just starting out, stick with one channel. Grow that channel. If you feel that you need to go into a different direction, let's say your channel starts off doing digital photography, and then you want to branch off eventually talking about, if you're a woman, you want to talk about baking or cooking or teach people how to paint, whatever, what it may be, then I would definitely go into another channel, venture. But right now, starting out, stick with one channel. Seriously, one channel will be enough to maintain. Believe me. I put YouTube Shorts on this here, and I put YouTube long form on this one here, this channel. This is my main channel, folks. Just to let you guys know, this is my main one. So that's something you might want to think about. It's totally up to you. It's your call. If you want to start another channel, that's fine. But let's read a little into it. It says there are 2 schools of thought regarding creating a separate channel for Shorts content. Yes, absolutely, and no, definitely not. The thing is, there is no right or wrong answer. It depends on what you as a creator feel comfortable with. Okay, if you got the time and energy to focus in on the 2 YouTube channels, that's great. Kudos to you. I wish you all the best. But for me right now, I'm going to stick with the one right now. For me, it works. So let's read a little more here. It says some creators choose to start a separate channels for Shorts content, which is a great audience development strategy if the videos will be radically different from your usual content. Okay, some YouTubers are creating new channels so that their short form and long form content can remain separate. I look at it, folks, I feel variety is the spice of life. Okay, I don't think there's anything wrong with it. Some of you guys may beg to differ with me. I don't know, but that's the way I look at it. I like to keep my channel an open forum. I like to talk about different things, but it's all business related because I'm also an eBay seller. I've been with eBay, 22, 23 years now, and I like to share tips and tricks on that. So I don't want to, I do the reseller news and Let's Talk eBay. I haven't done them recently, but I'm not going to have separate channels for them. It'd just be way too much for me. Okay, especially if you have a small time slot where you can only do so much within a day. I also do podcasting, so in between I'm trying to do this and then podcasting. It gets a little crazy, it's a little chaotic at times. So I don't know if I could, if I want to go to have multiple. What do you call it there? Multiple YouTube channels. That'd be too much for me. Then it goes on to say here, some YouTubers are creating new channels so the short form and long form content remain separate. We said that again. And then it says over here, take Mr. Beast, for example. Shorts channel has generated nearly 13 million subscribers and 1.4 billion, 1.4 billion views to date. Well, look. Come on. The guy's got over 100 million subscribers on one channel and growing. I heard he also has other channels. So, if people look like to compete with somebody like this is like, he's out of my league anyway. I can never, I don't think I'll ever fathom the idea of growing like that. He's got some phenomenal growth there and still growing. And then it goes on to say how to make money with YouTube. You guys can read all that at your own leisure. Okay. Good. This is a good site here. Good information from TubeBuddy. I think you guys will get a good takeaway from it. So if you get a chance, check it out. If you want, you could probably just pause and read the video, read it like that. But you're better off going directly to the website itself. You see the blue lettering here? These are all active hyperlinks. Now, I'm not going to click them to go bounce around because the video will be too long. I don't want to keep this video super long. This here is just a video to encourage the new YouTube creators out there. okay? I'm putting this out there because I want to share information with you guys. I want to encourage you. I want you guys to go out there and put out videos. And you guys can do this here. You could do it. Believe me, if I'm doing it, you could do it, okay? So, you know, and remember these things here too. Remember, just to recap, remember these things too. Read them when you get a chance. You can pause the video, check it out, okay? Look at this here. Are YouTube Shorts good for your channel, okay? Check it out. You know, I mean, it can't hurt. You could always refer back to this video if you want and read these here. Here's the websites there. If you want to read more into it, whatever, go to their sites, okay? Definitely check it out. Let me make myself bigger over here. So, what happened here? Freeze frame. There we go. Freeze frame. You notice I got a switcher over here. For those who follow me, you guys probably know that I have an Elgato Stream Deck here, and sometimes when I'm switching through videos, I got different cameras set up here, webcams. It kind of like freezes up there on occasion. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. I just want to say again, thank you guys for stopping by and checking out my video. I want to share information with you guys. That's what my YouTube channel is all about. That's why I created it with all intent, you know, for all intents purposes. That's what it's all been created for, is to help inspire and share. And when I come across an idea or something I think is going to be very helpful to you guys out there, I will put it out. I will make a video on that, okay? So I hope you'll from time to time, you guys will keep coming back. And hopefully you like me as a creator. Hopefully you like the content I put out. And the most important thing, folks, I can't stress enough in my other videos, that you guys get a takeaway from it. That is the most important thing to me. Out of anything that I do with this channel, I hope you guys get a takeaway from it. And if you do, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And if you want to be updated as to when I post that new videos, please hit that bell notification icon. My name is Rich Bassini. I'll talk to you guys the next time. And like I always say, this goes out to the new YouTubers out there who think they're starting a channel. When it comes to making a video, keep it real, keep it original, and let your channel grow organically. And put out good thumbnails and good titles. And folks, I'm telling you, your channel will grow and you will get views and subscribers just by following that basic little simple things I threw out there to you guys. It's working for me, and I know it'll work for you. So again, I just want to say take care, good luck, and I'll talk to you guys the next time. Bye-bye for now.